everyone, here's the Poker Magician and I'm gonna show you how to riffle shuffle today. So start from the basic grip and grip the cards with index on top, thumb on one side, 3 fingers on the other one, and riffle the card off to the other finger and mimic the same position. As you can see, you have 3 fingers on one side, thumb on the other, and index on top. Grip the packet better so that the cards won't fall off whenever you riffle them off. You just push with your finger and with your index finger and you slowly release your thumb. And to create the cascade effect, I'm gonna show you once again. So here's the grip, push, grab it with the same grip on the other hand, on your left hand. Make sure to grab the packet tightly. Now push with your index, release with the thumb, and now concave the cards and release. When you're gonna concave the cards and release them, they're gonna start creating the cascade effect. Here's from over the shoulder, showing you a couple of times how it looks like a riffle shuffle. So as we said, upper side of the deck, 3 fingers, thumb on the other side, on top of the pack there's the index, riffle off a stack and grip it with the same grip. Make sure to have it tightly gripped so cards won't fall off whenever you riffle them off to intersect them. And to riffle them off, just push with your index finger and release your thumb, as you're gonna see now. And now for the cascade, concave the cards and just release the pressure and they're just gonna fall off by themselves. Looks difficult, but it's actually totally automatic. As you can see, concave, release, and they're gonna riffle off. Thank you, see you at the next one.